how to create a new Apple ID on iPhone. So here is a step-by-step guide to do so. First of all, turn on the iPhone and begin the setup process. All you have to do is tap on the settings app available from your iPhone's home screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the Apple account at the top in order to create a new Apple ID. Simply tap on it, then you'll be navigated to other page. Once there, you will get to see the sign in manually and use other Apple account or create a new account. If you don't have one, you can simply see tap on the don't have Apple account option available there, and you will have to choose your age range. So basically, if you are 18 plus or older, then tap on it, or if you are a child, then simply tap on according to your ages available there. Now, first of all you have to do is provide your first name, last name, and enter your birth date. Once you enter this information, you will get to see continue option available on your screen. All you have to do is tap on it and navigate to the next process. So now on the next process, you can see you'll have to enter your email address. You can choose your current email or simply get a free iCloud email address. Here I'm creating a free iCloud email address. So I'm simply typing down my name and I'm keeping @icloud.com at the end. You can do same as well and continue with the process. Now, here all you have to do is enter your Apple account password. Set up a password that is strong and nobody can authenticate. Once you set up your password, all you have to do is tap on the continue option available there. And then you can see you will have to enter your phone number, your valid phone number. Then a code will be sent to your device and you will have to enter your code and your Apple ID will be created. I already have an Apple ID on my phone number, so I cannot create another one. So all you have to do is enter the phone number on the given box available there, and a code will be given to your SMS. Simply type it down and your Apple ID will be created easily. You'll have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.